Today's beef jerky bento box is not a standalone lunch idea. It's more like a bento box that you can pack along with a sandwich or a wrap because it's a perfect source of protein and it also adds variety. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you are here. This entire month, I'm showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up in about 5 minutes. And I'm also sharing with you the tricks of keeping those packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. For this quick and easy idea, I just grabbed my son's favorite jerky that we have in the pantry. It's great for snacking, but also to make a bento. So I'm gonna place the jerky in a separate compartment of the box. I'm also gonna send along some cheese and crackers. So I'm going to put some whole grain crackers, whichever ones you have on hand are great, and a few pieces of cheese in a separate compartment of the lunchbox. If packing lunches is a struggle for you, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunchboxes by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand. The final thing that I'm gonna add to this quick bento idea is some fruit. Cheese and grapes go great together, so I'm gonna add them right here. Since you place the crackers in a separate compartment, you can place this bento box in the fridge the night before. In the morning, just simply grab it out of the refrigerator, place an ice pack at the bottom of the lunchbox, then the bento and anything else, plus a drink, zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. Don't leave yet, there's one more bento lunch idea for you that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.